garden hose has a leak. Let's fix it. Got a little splice kit, hose repair. This will be a quick job. First step is to cut the hose cleanly with a sharp utility knife right at the point of the leak. Just work your way around the entire outside of the hose. Now we can attach the repair kit by unscrewing and loosening the 4 screws. I'll do one side at a time. Push the barb end into the hose. This might take a little bit of force. Yeah, before doing that, you know what, I'm gonna see if I can put the clamp on the okay, now I can push this barbed end in. Once it's seated all the way, loosen this a bit more. Now we can tighten it down. Should be good. Now let's work on the other side. They sell these repair kits for different sized hoses. This one works for 3/4 inch to 5/8 hoses, which seems to be the most common hose size, but double check. Now we get the other end of the hose. Now again, push the barbed end in. All right, I think we're good. Screws are quite snug. Turn the water back on. No more leak. If I can fix it, so can you.